Welcome to the 3D Ghost Universe, a place dedicated to 3D creation and 3D printing. In this video, I will share with you the very beginning of my journey into learning Blender and how I quickly learned thanks to 3 very good playlists. YouTube is a very good way to learn about Blender, but at the very beginning, it's a big place and it's really easy to lose yourself. So I will share with you the way I learned to work with Blender. At the very first, you have to take a look at the Blender official channel because there is a great playlist about learning Blender a really easy way with really short videos, and it's a tutorial about 2.8 version, but it's still okay with the version that you are using right now. Then you will go to maybe the most famous Blender tutorial. It's a donuts tutorial with Blender Guru, a great channel, a great way to learn Blender if you want to work with a really realistic way of using 3D and using Blender in order to create really realistic object. And to have a complete overview about how Blender can be fun for a beginner, I recommend to watch the videos and the tutorials of Grant Abbitt of Gabbitt Media in his channel because it's full of character for gaming, for example, but also a tutorial about a Funko Pop Deadpool. And if you are watching this playlist, you will understand how to create a funny character and to create a little animation. So with those 3 playlists, the first on Blender channel about how to use Blender, the second on Blender Guru channel about creating the donuts in a very realistic way, and then the Funko Pop Deadpool of Gabbitt Media, you will learn how to use Blender for fun, and I personally learn everything with those 3 playlists.